What's your first instinct when you have a pounding headache? You rub your temples, right? When your neck aches, you instinctively reach for those tight spots. You're already doing self-massage, you just don't realize it. Before I became a massage therapist, I had no idea how powerful self-massage could be for healing. I watched clients struggle with pain, wanting more frequent treatments, but unable to afford them. That's when I discovered something that changed everything. Today, I'm sharing 3 transformative self-massage techniques that can reduce your pain, boost your circulation, lower your blood pressure, and help you sleep better, all in just 5 to 30 minutes a day. These aren't just feel-good practices, they're scientifically proven methods that can genuinely transform your health and well-being. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain, stress, poor circulation, or simply want to enhance your overall wellness, these techniques will give you the power to become your own healing practitioner. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have 3 complete self-massage systems that cultures around the world have used for thousands of years to maintain health, vitality, and inner peace. Let me tell you about Jackie, a client who changed my entire perspective on self-massage and opened my eyes to the incredible healing potential we all carry within us. She suffered from recurring lower back pain caused by tension in her piriformis muscle. This small but mighty muscle, hidden beneath your glutes, that can press on your sciatic nerve and create debilitating pain that radiates down your entire leg. Jackie was on a fixed income and could only afford a massage every 2 weeks. She'd feel amazing for a few days after each session, but by week's end, the pain always returned with a vengeance. I could see her frustration mounting with each visit, and honestly, I felt helpless as her therapist, knowing I could provide temporary relief but not the consistent care she desperately needed. One day, I taught her a simple positional release technique using just a chair and the floor. I'll be honest, I was improvising based on my knowledge of muscle anatomy and massage principles. I wasn't sure it would work, but I felt compelled to give her something she could use at home. 3 weeks later, Jackie walked into my clinic with a completely different energy. She was beaming, standing taller, moving with confidence. The technique had kept her pain away completely for the first time in years. That moment sparked my deep dive into self-massage research and practice, leading me to discover the 3 powerful techniques I'm sharing with you today. Jackie's transformation showed me that the human body has an incredible capacity for self-healing when given the right tools and guidance. Before you think this is just another item for your already packed to-do list, hear me out. Self-massage isn't a chore. It's self-care that delivers measurable, life-changing results that compound over time. Regular self-massage reduces muscle pain and tension, increases circulation throughout your entire body, lowers blood pressure naturally, and decreases stress hormones like cortisol, while boosting feel-good hormones like serotonin and dopamine. Research has proven it helpful for managing fibromyalgia, tension headaches, arthritis pain, depression, insomnia, and chronic fatigue syndrome. It also increases self-esteem and body acceptance by creating a positive relationship with your physical self. But here's the real game changer that most people don't realize. Self-massage makes you intimately familiar with your body's unique patterns and needs. You'll notice problems earlier, before they become major issues, and pinpoint specific areas of tension or dysfunction more accurately than any external practitioner ever could. The better you know your muscles, joints, and energy flow, the better you'll become at preventing problems and healing your own aches and pains. This intimate body awareness is perhaps the most valuable skill you can develop for long-term health and vitality. Think of it as becoming fluent in your body's language. Once you understand what it's telling you, you can respond appropriately and maintain optimal wellness throughout your life. Let's start with your largest organ, your skin, and a technique that will revolutionize how you think about detoxification and circulation. Most people don't realize that your skin eliminates 1/4 of your body's daily toxins and receives 1/3 of your circulating blood at any given moment. Dry brushing isn't a modern wellness trend. It's an ancient practice that spans cultures and continents. The Japanese have used loofahs for centuries. Ancient Greeks used specialized skin scrapers called strigils. Native American tribes brushed with corn husks and sand. And Ayurvedic practitioners have long recommended Garshana, using raw silk gloves. They all understood what modern science now proves. Stimulating the skin dramatically improves overall health and vitality. Here's what you need: a natural bristle brush made from animal hair or vegetable fiber. Avoid synthetic bristles that can irritate and damage skin. Choose one with a handle so you can easily reach your back and other hard-to-reach areas. Always brush toward your heart on completely dry skin, never on wet or damp skin, as this can cause irritation. Start with your feet. Those soles contain thousands of nerve endings that affect your entire body through reflexology principles. Use firm pressure here since the skin is thick, but gentle strokes everywhere else. Here's your complete routine. Begin with circular motions on your soles, then brush up your legs on all sides using long flowing strokes. Move to your hands, brushing up your arms toward your heart. Use gentle counterclockwise circles on your stomach to support digestion. Brush your chest in upward strokes, carefully avoiding sensitive nipple areas. Finally, brush your back and buttocks as thoroughly as possible. Always shower immediately after to wash away loosened toxins and dead skin cells. Your skin will flush red at first, but this decreases as your body adapts to the stimulation. The entire process takes just 5 minutes, but delivers incredible benefits: dramatically improved circulation, better digestion, enhanced lymphatic drainage, decreased cellulite appearance, stronger immune function, and noticeably healthier, more radiant skin. Now let's explore Abhyanga, the ancient Indian art of oil massage that's been practiced for over 5,000 years and represents one of the most nourishing self-care practices you can adopt. Ayurveda, often called the mother of medicine, teaches that we all contain 3 fundamental life forces called doshas that govern our physical, mental, and emotional characteristics. Vata represents air and ether elements and governs movement and communication in the body. Pitta represents fire and water elements and controls metabolism and transformation. Kapha represents water and earth elements and provides structure and stability. Balance among these 3 doshas equals optimal health, while imbalance creates the conditions for disease and dysfunction. Each dosha has its ideal oil for maximum therapeutic benefit. Vata types thrive with sesame oil's warming, grounding properties. Pitta types benefit from coconut oil's cooling, soothing nature. Kapha types respond well to olives or mustard seed oil's stimulating, heating qualities. Sesame oil is most commonly used because it's packed with powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that penetrate deeply into tissues. Use only cold-pressed, organic oils for maximum benefit and purity. Put your oil in a squeeze bottle for easy control and even distribution. Warm it by placing the bottle in a bowl of warm water or simply rubbing it vigorously between your palms. Set up in a warm, draft-free room with an old towel you don't mind getting oily. This becomes your dedicated Abhyanga practice space. Morning before showering is ideal timing because it energizes you for the day ahead. Start by massaging your scalp with circular motions. Don't worry about oily hair if you're washing it anyway. The scalp massage alone can reduce stress and improve mental clarity. Use long, flowing strokes like you're lovingly painting your entire body with healing oil, switching to circular motions around all joints where energy tends to stagnate. Pay extra attention to any sore or tense spots with deeper kneading and friction techniques. Once you're fully oiled from head to toe, sit quietly for at least 5 minutes. Let the oil penetrate your skin while you breathe deeply and completely relax into the nourishing experience. Then shower carefully. Oily feet are extremely slippery, so I always skip my soles to avoid dangerous bathroom accidents. This extra 10 to 15 minutes gives you smoother, more supple skin, increased mental alertness, dramatically improved circulation, and stimulated nerve endings that enhance overall sensory awareness. I'm definitely not a morning person, but Abhyanga genuinely helps me wake up feeling energized and ready to face whatever challenges the day might bring. Our final technique is Dao-Yin, pronounced Dao-Yin, developed by Taoist monks following traditional Chinese medicine principles that view health as the free flow of life energy through specific pathways in the body. This sophisticated system views your body as having 12 primary energy channels called meridians, each flowing through specific organs and body regions. When energy becomes blocked or stagnant in these meridians, it creates dysfunction in both the energy pathway itself and the associated physical organ or system. Dao-Yin combines mindful meditation, gentle stretching, and rhythmic self-massage to restore proper energy flow and bring your entire system back into harmonious balance. No oils or special equipment needed, just loose, comfortable clothing that allows free movement and a quiet space where you won't be interrupted. Sessions can range from 5 minutes for a quick energy boost to 30 minutes for deep restoration and healing. Avoid practicing Dao-Yin immediately after meals. Give yourself at least 2 hours to digest, as the technique redirects energy that should be focused on digestion. Dao-Yin uses specific hand positions and techniques: loose fists for gentle tapping, fingertips for precise pressure and circular motions, plus pressing, rubbing, and kneading with various parts of your hands. Let me guide you through a complete routine that will leave you feeling energized, balanced, and better, and deeply relaxed. Start by tapping your head's top, sides, and back with loose fists to stimulate blood flow to your brain and scalp. Use fingertips to rub in small circular motions from your forehead center outward toward your temples. Massage your temples, cheeks, and jaw muscles with gentle circles. This releases tremendous tension that most people carry unconsciously. Thoroughly squeeze and rub both ears, which contain reflex points for your entire body. Brush down your neck's front with fingertips, then knead your neck's back where stress accumulates. Stretch your neck gently in all directions, forward, back, and side to side. But avoid circular rolling, which can strain delicate cervical vertebrae. Continue with rhythmic tapping on your shoulders from neck outward, followed by deep kneading of those chronically tight muscles. Tap down your arms' inside surface and up the outside. Thoroughly knead all arm muscles. Stretch your wrists in circles, massage your palms with firm circular motions, and squeeze each finger from base to tip. Gently shake out your entire arm to release any remaining tension. Move to your torso with light fingertip taps on your ribcage, firm palm slaps on the sides to stimulate your kidneys and adrenals, and loose fist taps on your back and buttocks, while carefully avoiding the sensitive kidney area. For your legs, tap down the inside surface and up the outside. Knead all leg muscles thoroughly. Squeeze and release your calves repeatedly. Rotate your ankles in both directions. Tap your soles firmly with fingertips. Massage your feet completely, including each individual toe. Then bounce your entire leg gently. Finish this complete practice by lying flat on the floor for several minutes, breathing deeply and allowing your body to completely relax into the profound peace that Dao-Yin creates. You now have 3 incredibly powerful self-massage techniques that represent thousands of years of healing wisdom: dry brushing for detoxification and enhanced circulation, Abhyanga for deep nourishment and sustained energy, and Dao-Yin for meridian balance and profound inner peace. Each technique offers unique benefits, but they also work synergistically when combined into a comprehensive self-care practice. Here's your personal challenge. Choose the one technique that most resonates with your current needs and lifestyle. Then commit to practicing it consistently for 30 days. That's exactly how long it takes for your body to adapt and for you to notice significant, lasting changes in how you feel, move, and experience life. Some people prefer the quick morning energy boost of dry brushing. Others love the deep nourishment of oil massage, while many find the meditative quality of Dao-Yin perfect for evening relaxation. Trust your intuition about which practice calls to you most strongly. Which technique resonates most with you, and how do you plan to incorporate it into your daily routine? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if this video helped you discover new possibilities for self-healing, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical wellness content that puts you firmly in control of your own health journey.